Alright, so here we are again at another remote site. I'm going to be installing some new fiber distribution panels below this existing one. In this situation, we only have, in essence, about a 3-inch space between equipment, so we can't put in a 4-inch trough. I've already taken out one flex hose. You can see the other one going to the back of the panel. Above this equipment is the problem. We have a 4x4 horizontal trough feeding a T. This run here had a hose, and this is the existing flex hose. All of this I'm going to be replacing with flexible telic, as will provide room for expansion in the future. Wish me luck. So here's one of my preliminary solutions, and this is to use these 2-inch by 2-inch flexible telic fiber troughs being fed from a 45-degree angled, so you can get a good shot of that, horizontal trough connection with 2 telics bolted to it and bolted to each other. So I'd have one feeding one side of the FTP and one feeding the other. My problem is I want to allow for future expansion, and so I'm probably not going to ultimately go this route. You'll see there's equipment that's going to be removed over here, and I want to be able to run fiber over there eventually and not simply stop here. But this is one of the things you wind up doing. You build it, you don't like it, and try something else. And here's my second attempt at running the fiber. I like this better. I've got a 4-inch express on one side and a 2-inch express on the other. You see, I didn't have a bracket for that, so I simply ran bolts directly into the trough. One of the nice things about these sectional telic troughs is that I can put them in piece by piece. You can see a little impromptu bracketry there. Overall, I'm happy with how this is going. As you can see, I've got a full 6-foot section now added. This will allow me to get rid of some substantial slack that I've got in the existing fibers. I'm happy with where this is going. And here's the front of the finished vertical trough. The section's put in as it works its way up to the 2-inch express telic downspout. You can see the backside there has a custom bracket to mount that in as well. One of the reasons I don't use a continuous piece on this vertical run is that I don't have access to the back, so I have to work from underneath. So I'll do it in sections. Now I'll show you the back. And here you can see the back of this fiber run running to the backs of these FTPs. You may remember the large orange hose that went into the top. I've now replaced that with 2 separate flex hoses. The new hose is for the new fibers that are being brought in. You can see this is all run very cleanly, and I still have room for more fiber, and this is all protected and yet easy to work on. Overall, I'm very happy with it.